Welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. In this video I'm going to show you origami butterflies. See, I have decorated this butterfly with glitter pen. This one I have kept it plain. Here I have added some sequins. So let's start. We need a craft paper. We'll just fold into half. I have taken here printed craft paper. You can use any one. Now cross folding. This 4 lines. Now fold it into half and just push this side in and form a triangular shape. So this is how it is. Here you have to fold more than this. See, the triangle should come out. And just fold this triangle. And turn back. So this is a butterfly. I hope you like my video. You can decorate it. With sketch pens, glitter pens, or you can stick the sequins also, or you can keep plain, whatever you like. This is a beautiful butterfly. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Arty and Crafty. Thank you for watching.